CNC up in the wash house at the just fucking around and shit. But look, right now, nigga, virtualizing this shit. I'm installing 4 different operating systems right now. I'm installing OpenSUSE Linux right now on 4 different virtual machines simultaneously, as you can see. On the Windows 7 host, though. Feel me? Using Oracle's VM machine. Hold up. See how I'm saying? Setting the time zone on this machine. Boop. Next. Setting the time zone on this machine. These up here, they push it right now. Morpheus, Trinity, HAPOC, and Neo. Try to get in on this shit so you can see what I'm saying. Civic Los Angeles, set that. Next. Push it. Doing too much. KDE desktop. Next. Next. Oh, wait a minute. Use your full name. Okay, I gotta enter that information. Hold on, I'll be back. Back. About to install. Yeah, boop. Install, boop. So now, right now, dog, nigga doing too much. I'm at the wash house over here by the VGs. And I got my laptop set up. And I got 4 virtual machines created. And I'm installing OpenSUSE Linux on all 4 machines at the same time. And you can see their names. One at the top is Morpheus, to the right is Trinity, and you got HAPOC, and you got Neo. And as you can see, they all running, nigga, right now, all at various stages of the installation and shit. About to set up this little virtual lab and shit and get my little hacking and penetration testing on and shit. Y'all know how nigga get out. CNC True Colors. Feel me? And this is my little worksheet getting Zion created. I'm calling it the creation of Zion. Preliminary shit. I'm about to set up servers and everything. About to have multiple network interfaces and everything on all these motherfuckers, nigga. CNC. Doing too much. Boop. Various stages of the installation. 4 different VMs. It's a trip to see the processors switch off between the different VMs and shit. That's why you'll see like 3 idle while 1 is busy or active. It's a cheap ass Best Buy laptop, $309 Pentium processor. Feel me? This ain't like no i3 or i5 or i7 or nothing like that, but it's still dual core though. Feel me? Multi-core, baby. CNC signing off. True Color. Watch out, baby. It's the one. You can actually see the packages. You know what I'm saying? You can see them switch it off and shit. But as you can see, the Morpheus for some reason has been hung up for some reason. That nigga ain't installed the package in a long ass motherfucking time. But we see if this nigga can recover. I don't know what the problem is, but he has stopped installing shit. But if they all get hung up at that point, then we know we got a glitch over my shit. Okay. Morpheus recovered. Morpheus damn near done. Crazy shit, this virtualization. So what's happening here is, for all intents and purposes, every one of these operating systems think that they exist on their own machine. They don't know about each other. It's crazy, blood. Technology done advanced like a motherfucker, man. This is software and processing, nigga, at its finest right here. And they'll tell her where the fuck we gonna get at this shit. This is open source, nigga. Free shit. Unbelievable, huh? Here you go. All 4 VMs successfully created with OpenSUSE installed on all 4 machines, and as you can see, all them bitches is running. Trinity, Morpheus, Neo, PayPal, all running. VirtualBox, nigga. Now it's time to, I guess, install guest editions. There's this software program that's called guest editions that you can install on here, and go ahead and set up the network for these bitches and shit. Still not quite sure I want to do this yet. Virtualization, my nigga. It took about an hour or so to get them all done at the same time. And these is all really functioning operating systems. I'm gonna go into this with bitch real quick. Go in this start menu, see something coming up, see that? Get a little web browser started there, come over here. And notice, look, all you gotta do is just drag the mouse around, nigga, and it's happening. Something started there. I don't know what the fuck.